Hello friend, I am Ishant from Educational Alliance. Today we are going to start Canva tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will cover all things about Canva step by step. Before we start, let's give a little introduction to why we use Canva and how it would be benefited for us. Canva is the free designing tool that can be used by anyone as free. With the help of Canva, you can design and complete your project like social media post, presentation, logo, Instagram post, Facebook post, and many more that you want. If you want to unlock Canva premium features, then you can easily subscribe for pro version to create and design content. So before getting started, let's take a look on Canva dashboard. Now open any browser that you want. Just click over here and write Canva and then click on the first link and you will be landing on Canva dashboard. This is the Canva dashboard. Just scroll down here and in the bottom you see there are three packages offered by Canva as Canva Free, Canva Pro and Canva for Teams. You may choose according to your need. To open account on Canva, just click sign up at here. New dialog box has been appear where three different ways to sign up Canva. You can do continue with your Google account or continue with your Facebook account or continue with email account. So we are go for continue with Google. At here new dialog box appear where your default email address at here. So just click on it. Few basic information asked by Canva like what will you be using Canva for? We are going to select student. Next, where are you currently studying? For this one, I am going to select as professional development. You may choose according to your profile and press continue. At here, your team information is required in this section. If you have, then input, otherwise you may skip this section. I am going to skip this for now. Just click on skip. As you see, your Canva account has been created with your name. That's it friends. As you see how Canva is easy to use. Thanks for watching this video.